मौका मिलना चाहिए।
Hello and good evening, Malaka ma'am. We are so happy and so privileged that you have come all the way to Guwahati, Assam, and today you are here with us at Prague Senior Awards 2021. I would like to hold the microphone for you. We would like to hear something from you. I'm Nishita.
Thank you, Nishita. Thank you so much. नमस्कार, स्वागत। की खबर? की खबर? बोलो, कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा? Well, firstly, thank you so much. Sorry? What did you say? What should I say? Ki koi se?
That means they're fine.
That I know. That I understood. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you for inviting me to Guwahati for Prague Cine Awards. I truly feel very, very special tonight. The kind of love that I've received from the airport all the way to my hotel, from my hotel to the show, backstage, the dancers, everybody. So thank you so much for all that love. I know in this pandemic it's very difficult to have a function like this, but I think everybody, all the organizers, I think you all have done a brilliant job. So huge round of applause to each one of you to make this night so wonderful and so special. Yes, you were going to say something?
So happy that you have said something in Ohomia. So